Hey guys, what's up? My name is Mark and this is my BMW 328, and today I have an issue with the headlight. I actually took it to my buddy and it turns out that it's an adaptive headlight module, and I was looking through YouTube videos trying to figure out a way to get it fixed. I couldn't find one, so I figured out that it's the adaptive headlight module right here, and the cheapest way to get it fixed is just to order it off of eBay. So if you guys have this issue going on in your car, I can show you guys right now. So whenever you turn it on, you get an adaptive headlight issue. So we'll just turn it on. So as you can see here guys, we have the adaptive headlight module, and whenever you go into your options, into your settings, it says adaptive headlights, the big exclamation mark. So that right there is a pretty big giveaway that it is your adaptive headlight module. So first step in diagnosing this, you want to open your hood. And it really helps if you have somebody that knows a lot about these cars, preferably a BMW certified mechanic that can help you figure out which light it is and which module it is. So in my case, it's this right one. So we're just gonna go ahead and get straight to work and let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna have to take off this bumper to get to the headlight. So the module is actually underneath the headlight here, and so removing the bumper, you got about 4 bolts right here and a couple bolts holding it right here. So we're gonna go ahead and start working on that. Now you don't have to remove the bumper 100%. You can remove it like 50 or 75% just to get access to this headlight. We're gonna remove it completely, and taking this grill off is gonna help a little bit too. So we're just gonna get straight to work and we'll show you how it's done. Okay, so right now we got half of the bumper taken off. We didn't necessarily have to take the kidney grills off, but we do have these few screws holding on the headlight itself. So this is a T25, and my headlight is held on right here, and by some, I believe these are 10mm bolts right here. And as soon as we take that off, the headlight itself should come out, and we'll show you what to do after that. Have the headlight. This is the e9x headlight, and this computer, it is right here, right beside your ballast right here, and all it is held on by 4 little screws there. We're gonna switch it out and it should be good to go. So over here, I just took out the old one. You can definitely tell there's a little bit more yellow stuff going on here than the new one. This seal is definitely, you can tell that it's more worn than this one here. And yeah, you got a little bit, looks like corrosion going on in there. So we're just gonna put this brand new one in here, and yeah. Alright, so we got this new module back in place. We got it screwed down. It's looking really nice and flush. So now we're just gonna go put it back in the car.